So Amazon, my friends, was a big 200 psychological and weekly breakout. There are a few concepts. More times the resistance is tested, bigger the breakout. Tested, breakout. And when the resistance acts as a magnet, you know it's going to break out. And we all know, we have been talking about the Bezos wall, how Bezos has been selling, and he's done selling. There's so much liquidity. Every time it touched 200, it pulled back. So we have our Amazon levels right here, 2069, 202. So my initial thought process was, this is a chop. So you just put your stops at 200 and have a position. You don't really need to start trades here. But as soon as I see the breakouts, when I tell them you can long it, and there was a lot of flow, crazy volume. Look at the volume, 200% volume traded on Amazon today. So I gave the 203 first target. We pushed at that, still very strong. We hit 205s and we hit 206. We were targeting 207s, but then of course it's extended. And when it was pulling back, I gave the level of 203. Pullback level 203 means that's your risk level to add. We didn't really pull back fully to 203, but you see that it was 203, 30, 40s. That's the power of Ripster EMA clouds, and this is where you long. That was a 512 bounce that you long, and after that it pushed again. Of course, my final target was 207, 207.50, because those are the lotto calls that I told many traders can take that. Once we are at 205, you can take those 207.50 call to use your profit. But you can see that even this 207.50 lottos, they're 60 cents and they went all the way to $1.80 and like a 300%. Let's say made you $2,000. You take 600 out of that, you throw that into 207.50 lottos, and that doubled as well. So that's how you maximize your lotto potential. This is a beautiful breakout, guys. Look how many times it was tested on the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And finally the breakout in a huge volume, and there's no more sellers. So this should see continuation. It can be a multi-day. Any pullback to 200 or this area will be buy for investors to stay long. As long as it's over this range, 195s, it's going to go higher.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.